Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel once again. In this video, we'll look at how to install Visual Studio Code with a simple installation setup. First, you have to go to the Google and then you have to type download Visual Studio Code or just Visual Studio. And after that, it will take you to the official website of Microsoft where you can get the setup for your preferred system. Like if you have Linux or Mac or Windows, whatever. So as I'm running with the Windows operating system, I'm going to go with the 64-bit as according to my system architecture. So you can see it's nothing but just like around 100 MB, and that's it. So this is really the beginner setup and the beginner Visual Studio Code, which allows you to access features and tools for free. So yeah, so this is about to be done now, and after that this installation will be ready to explore. Alright, so the download is done. Now if we go over to the file, you can see the setup is here. We are going to run it as admin. If you would like, it's okay, otherwise it doesn't require that. Okay, so we are going to agree to all the terms and conditions, next, and check all, so that whatever the project you work or whatever the file related to HTML, you can directly open it with the code. Installation is running. And that's it, and that's much enough for the installation. Now you can see the interface here, and whatever you type, whatever you make the code, it is going to work fine. And there are some plugins and all which you are supposed to install in a way to make it look better and work, like live server, like prettier code. These are the extensions which I would recommend you to install, so that you can run your server live, and that will be really handy for you when you are working with your websites. Yeah, okay, so that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this is really useful for you guys. If you really wanted to know like where to get the original setup, link is given in the description, you can again check out. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.